What you're looking at is the rear end of my GL 1100 Gold Wing Interstate. I purchased these LED lights from Custom Dynamics. The light bars that you're looking at, the three that I installed, one is on the rear of the box, and I put one each on the saddlebags. Now these are in the running light position. They're low intensity. It's a dual intensity light bar with a pulsating brake light. Now when I activate the brake light, you'll see what goes on. Now they are pulsing 5 times and they stop high intensity. The brake is still engaged. If I release the brake, low intensity. Along with these light bars for the brake and the running light, I installed the Custom Dynamics turn signals. This is a stock turn signal fixture which I disassembled and installed the LED light bar for turn signals from Custom Dynamics. There's one on the right and there's one on the left. Now I'm going to show you when I activate the turn signals what goes on. You're looking at the right turn signal. You're making a right turn. Now we're going to do the left.
Country 96 with continuous country favorites. It doesn't matter where you are now, it matters where you be tomorrow. And Jimmy Wayne is a great example of that. He had such a tough upbringing. I mean, there was like gunfire in his house. And now, do you believe me now on Cat Country 96 with 40
and here's the left.
Free Cat Country.
You're making a left turn. It's real good stuff. Virtually no heat. Very, very few amps on the draw. So it does everything good. And that's it.